If you want to set a song as a ringtone on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, all you have to do is you need to go to Settings, then we're gonna go to Sound and Vibration in here, and you should be able to tap on Ringtone. Once you go to this theme store, where we have the ringtone category selected, then you should be able to find the theme store with a bunch of different sounds, and that of course you can easily use on your phone. You just have to tap on this bell icon on the right side in order to apply it for sim number 1 or 2. You can of course also tap in order to have a little preview, but besides that, if you have like a song saved on the internal storage of your phone, then you can go to choose a local ringtone over here, and then we can go to audio files, for example, or music app if you use it, of course. And then over here we can choose the song that you have on your phone. So let's say it is this one. After that, it will be added to the list of ringtones, so we can tap on apply, and then we can use it on sim number 1 and, for example, sim number 2 if you want it that way. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.